To create rendered video in Sweet Home 3D, click Create Video from the toolbar. With this tool, you can create both interior and exterior walkthrough animations. Start by placing the visitor at the first location, then click the red record button to add the current camera position. Next, move the visitor to a new location. Adjust the camera angle, then click Record again. Repeat these steps to build your camera movement. This blue line shows the route of the animation. With just 2 camera positions, you can create a straight route, or add more positions for a more complex animation. To preview the animation, click the play button. You can also use the arrow buttons to move between camera positions. The erase button removes the last camera position, while the trash button deletes the entire route. For exterior videos, simply place the visitor outside and create a route around the building. Keep in mind that unlike the endpoint, the camera waypoints cannot be edited or removed once they have been recorded. Before rendering, choose a video format and resolution. Then adjust the quality slider as needed. Higher quality settings produce better results with more realistic lighting and shadows, while also providing additional rendering options. To create an animation, just click the Create button. Once the rendering is complete, click Save to export the video as a MOV file. Just set the file name and click Save.